everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Instagram application. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Then scroll down until you find apps option. Tap on apps. Select manage apps option. In the search bar, type in Instagram and perform your search. Tap on it. At the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to find Uninstall option. Tap on it. And if you are sure, tap on the OK button. And this is how you can uninstall Instagram application. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.